Are you applying all the right products but your skin still feels dry, irritated, or just off? Sis, your skin barrier might be damaged, and until you fix it, nothing else will work. Let's talk about barrier repair, minimalist skincare, and the products, both store-bought and natural, that will save your skin. What is the skin barrier? Your skin barrier is the outermost layer of your skin, like a bodyguard that keeps the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. It protects you from pollutants, bacteria, and even moisture loss. When it's healthy, your skin feels smooth and balanced, but when it's damaged, you get dryness, redness, breakouts, and sensitivity, even from products that used to work fine. Signs your skin barrier is damaged. Here are some signs your barrier might be begging for help. Dry, flaky patches, burning or stinging after applying products, itchy, irritated skin, sudden sensitivity, breakouts that don't go away easily. What destroys the skin barrier? You might be damaging your skin barrier without knowing. Here's what to watch out for. Over-exfoliating with scrubs or acids. Using too many actives at once, like mixing retinol, AHA plus vitamin C. Harsh cleansers with sulfates. Not moisturizing enough. Environmental stress, sun, dust, or even harmattan wind. If your skin routine feels like a chemistry lab, it's time to simplify. Minimalist skincare is the cure. Enter minimalist skincare. Less products, more healing. You don't need 10 steps. You need the right steps. The minimalist routine for repair. Gentle cleanser. No fragrance, no sulfates. Hydrating toner or mist. Look for ingredients like glycerin or aloe vera. Barrier cream, ceramide or Cica-based plant. Sunscreen, even on cloudy days, wear sunscreen. Less stress, less mess, heal skin. Products that work. Here are some tested products that are barrier friendly and beginner approved. Ceramide-based creams. CeraVe moisturizing cream. COSRX Balancium Comfort Ceramide cream. La Roche-Posay Cica Plus Biome B5. Cica-based formulas. Etude House Sunjong line. Beauty of Joseon Cica Serum. Benton Goodbye Redness Centella Gel. Natural alternatives for barrier repair. Prefer natural options, these work just as well. Aloe vera from the plant soothes and hydrates. Raw honey, antibacterial plus barrier healing. Unrefined shea butter, deep moisture plus barrier seal. Oat water toner. Boil oat, strain and use the water as a calming toner. Patch test every natural product before full use. How long to see result? With consistent care, you can see results in as little as 1 to 3 weeks. Your skin will feel less irritated, more hydrated, and start to glow again. Consistency is key. If your skin has been screaming for help, this is your sign to stop overloading it. Go back to basics, repair your barrier, and your skin will thank you. Glow naturally, glow confidently. Like this video if you learned something new. Comment below your favorite barrier repair tip. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple African-friendly skincare advice.